is Miss Steele, and I'm the library teacher at Oak Hill Middle School. Go Panthers! I'm here to talk to you about a fantastic middle grade novel. The title is an interesting one, but bear with me. It is called The Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus, and the author's name is Dusty Bowling. So a lot to take in right on the cover alone. This is a story of a girl named Avon. She's around 13 years old, and she was born without arms. It's just a type of birth condition that she had. And Avon's family and her friends have all been cool about it, and she's really resourceful, and her parents have taught her that you can't, make an excuse that you can't do something because you don't have, arms. So that's where Avon starts off, but then things take a turn for the worst when her dad loses her job and money's really tight, but he has an opportunity to run this really funky, kitschy, Western-themed amusement park way out in Arizona, hundreds and hundreds of miles from where Avon lives in the Midwest. And so her parents decide that they're going to begin a new life out in Arizona, and Avon is petrified because now she's going to be starting school, 8th grade, right in the middle of the year. She doesn't know a soul, and she already knows that kids are going to look at her differently and treat her differently because of the way she looks. So in this story, Avon learned how to stand up for herself. She learns how to take a risk and form new friendships. And there's also this mysterious twist with this Western-themed amusement park that her family is managing. There are a couple of mysteries. Avon makes a connection with a classmate at school who gets involved with it. And while you think this story might be a more serious one, Avon has a really funny personality, and she has a lot of zip to her, and there are scenes that are just laugh out loud funny. So if you're looking for a great middle grade contemporary fiction book full of adventure, full of some good plot twists, then Dusty Bowling's The Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus is definitely for you. And my friends, this book was so well reviewed that the author was asked to write a sequel, which she did, and that is also out. So if you love this book as much as I did, you won't have to say goodbye to Avon and her friends. You'll see them in the sequel. That's all for now.
In today's Some Good Book News, I'm going to tell you about the Everywhere Book Festival. This is a virtual book festival that's coming to you right in your home. There's a link to it somewhere on your library website, probably on the school closure page, and it brings you right to it. This, again, is a virtual book festival. Tons of popular kid lit authors, illustrators, lots of people from the book industry. This was a festival that took place over 2 days, so there's a ton to explore. If you click on this festival schedule button, you'll come here and see short descriptions of each session with a link for more information, and of course a link to the videos of the sessions themselves. So for example, you can see Jason Reynolds, one of our most popular authors in our library, here has this video that's this discussion with him. So there's a lot to do. Lots of tips for keeping busy during your time at home, so we hope you enjoy this Some Good Book News.